You cannot beat an all white bed. There's nothing more peaceful, comforting, and there's no greater aid to a good night's sleep than just an all white clean bed. And when you change your linens and you give them a good wash and you put them on the bed, there's nothing better. Again, we want to talk to textures and pair them with our simple basics. So what I really like to do is to create a layer of texture in the back with our quilted shams. Do a little breathing room with our basic, in this case, king size white shams. A little bolster or throw pillow is a fun little nod to being a little eclectic. With ours, there's a little bit of texture on the ties, again, from that selvage edge. It won't fray because the selvage is woven. You come down, nice solid white duvet, and end it with a little bit of texture. So you start with texture, end with texture, and you have a beautiful, clean, crisp, white bed.